Hello everyone. Let us in this tutorial let us learn about this draw tab. So draw tab will be useful when you want to add something manually. Let us assume that one thing is written like tutoring and homework help, and we want to have a highlighting of this thing. So what we are going to do? We are going to select this. First of all, let me give you the understanding about this. Once you click on the draw, it will these are the tabs will be activated. If you don't click and if you direct select any of them, again it will be directly selected, and this is automatically gets activated. Now this is the for eraser. This is the pen, which is golden pen with 0.35 mm size. Then this one is the red pen. This is a colorful like galaxy pen. This is a common pencil, and here it is a highlighter. Let us assume that we want to have a highlighter but little bit smaller size, or you can increase the size from here. Okay, and with the yellow highlight. And now Control Z, and we want to have highlighting of this text. Just I am putting over here. Now this is little bit awkward, so let us erase this thing. Select the eraser, remove this, it will be highlighted. Now we want to put this ruler. So before that, going into the draw tab, we are going to put this roller. How we can synchronize this roller? So for that purpose, we are going to align this ruler to horizontal like 0 degree. Okay, this I have put it, and now we are going to highlight from this line. So for that purpose, we have selected this. I don't know why it is not working. Let me zoom in little bit, and now I am highlighting this thing. So you see that it is directly capturing. For that purpose, ruler will be helpful. Other way, if you did this thing and it is little bit outside and we want to have a ink to shape, so for that purpose go this selection tool. This highlighted part we can either select with this lasso tool. Okay, so this one is selected, and let us click over here, but see automatically into shape. Automatically it shape is getting arranged properly. Now here, now again highlight. So this is just a shape which is by default as a hollow or solid shape, so sometimes it will not be useful. But if you want to highlight proper way, I recommend you to use this roller. Now what is this ink pen? Before that, these are the different available pencils. Like if you want to have a colorful red pencil with little bit higher size, and we want to have a circle or let's say square outside this ChatGPT. Okay, these I have provided over here. Let us come out from this draw tab. Now I am pressing this ink. So see, one by one it is highlighting. How this will be helpful? Now let me give you the understanding. Go to the animation tab, which we have already teach. Already we have explained. Now let us select this. Click on this replay. See, automatically it is getting highlighting. Now let us select this one. Another tab. Okay, just a minute. I don't know why it is not getting highlighted, but let us do it the same thing on this thing. I have highlighted this and I want to do the rewind. Okay, rewind. Now once we go in the animation tab, from here, see this is already highlighted, coming up automatically. If I click, see our text is getting highlighted. You can reduce the timing, which we have already discussed in the animation tab. And if I click, see it is getting rewinding. So likewise, this draw tab will be useful when you want to highlight something or manually you want to add on something. So for that purpose, this draw tab will be useful. So I hope it is clear, and now we have almost learned everything which is important required for the slide to prepare the any presentation. I hope it is clear to you. See you soon in the next tutorial.